There were more large explosions and thick clouds of smoke across the Gaza skyline on Wednesday after 12 o'clock GMT, hours after a blast at a Gaza hospital that killed hundreds of people and which has ignited worldwide reactions as well as words of caution as to who is to blame. U.S. President Joe Biden arrived in Israel on Wednesday and said the blast that killed huge numbers of Palestinians at Al Ali Al Arabi Hospital appeared to have been caused not by Israel but by its foes, but he added, "There's a lot of people out there not sure, so we've got to overcome a lot of things," speaking at a news conference with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Israel said the explosion was from a misfired Islamic Jihad rocket.